Capitec offers a revolutionary service that simplifies money transfers by using just a cell phone number. This innovative feature eliminates the complexity of traditional banking transfers. The concept is beautifully simple. You only need the recipient's South African cell phone number to send money directly to their bank account, regardless of which bank they use. Money flows seamlessly from your Capitec account to any South African bank account using just the recipient's mobile number. This service works seamlessly across all major South African banks. Whether the recipient banks with Standard Bank, FNB, Absa, Nedbank, or any other local bank, they will receive the money directly into their account. As of 2025, these transfers are processed in real time, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This includes weekends and public holidays, ensuring your money reaches its destination instantly, whenever you need to send it. To use this convenient feature, you need 5 simple things: an active Capitec Bank account, the latest version of the Capitec banking app installed on your smartphone, the recipient's valid South African cell phone number, sufficient funds in your account, and a stable internet connection. This is the actual Capitec banking app interface. The Transact section contains all the tools you need for money transfers, including the cell phone number transfer feature we've been discussing. Capitec's cell phone money transfer service represents the future of digital banking. Simple to use, secure by design, and instant in delivery. This innovative approach makes sending money as easy as making a phone call. Capitec offers 2 convenient methods for transferring money using a cell phone number. You can use the full-featured banking app or the quick USSD code for instant access. The banking app method provides the most comprehensive experience. Start by opening the Capitec banking app and logging in using your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the Transact menu, then select Send Money. This will open the money transfer options where you can choose to cell number for transfers using phone numbers. Enter the recipient's cell phone number and the amount you wish to transfer. Adding a reference is optional, but highly recommended for record keeping and to help the recipient identify the payment. Review all transaction details carefully, then confirm the transfer by entering your transaction PIN. You'll receive both an SMS confirmation and an in-app notification when the transfer is complete. The USSD method provides quick access without needing the app. Simply dial *120*3279# from your registered cell phone number. A menu will appear on your screen. Select the Send Money option, then follow the prompts to enter the recipient's cell phone number and the amount you want to transfer. Authenticate the transaction using your banking PIN, then confirm to complete the transfer. This method works on any phone, including basic feature phones, making it accessible to all users. When you initiate a transfer, the money moves instantly from your account to the recipient's account. The system processes transactions in real time, ensuring immediate availability of funds. Both methods provide instant confirmation and SMS notifications. The recipient receives the funds immediately, making Capitec's cell phone transfer system one of the fastest and most reliable in South Africa.